This object, it actually draws me into its realm. Since I am here, I shall rest at ease. Behold how weaving comes to life in this place. Automatic pattern making, delivered with a single tap. Once 1,000 sails vied on beyond river of old. Now smart interconnection weaves robes of gold. Hanging systems shuttle like flowing streams. Machinery hums to cut new garment dreams. This riverside scene at Qingming Festival of a new age captures the grandeur of intelligent weaving stage. AI upholds the artisanal soul, making every garment a scroll of prosperous scroll.